Greetings, today I will tell you about webhooks for WhatsApp API. Webhooks are usually used to implement two-way communication between different systems or integrate third-party services with their own applications. A webhook is a simple way to let one system notify another about events, almost like a phone call between them. For example, you can instantly know that someone has joined your group or received notifications of new incoming messages. To set up webhooks, go to the Settings menu in your channel. Here you can insert a link to your script, configure the mode and events. You can put multiple hooks on different events. You can also do this through the API. Select the method Update Channel Settings. In it, select the parameter webhooks and add object. Insert a link, select an event and a method. You can add as many objects as you need. An important part of webhooks is the mode selection. Webhooks send info in a few ways. Body: the main details go here. It's the usual way to get the data. Path: the link changes based on what's happening. Different events go to different links. Method: the type of action, like update message, sets how the info is sent. This is for when you need to handle events in special ways. You can always find more details in our knowledge base. After setting up mode, you need to select tracking events that you want your webhook to handle. Post tells you when something new is made. Delete lets you know when something is removed. Patch informs only about the changes made. Put indicates an entity modification and sends old and updated data. This will help to keep track of various events in real time. You can collect information about message status, presence, groups, and others. Also, you can configure auto-download. Choose the types of media you wish to automatically save to the cloud and receive the cloud link in the hook. For testing, we need a webhook simulation. For example, let's take a webhook site. This service provides an interface for automatically updating data when certain events occur. To get the link, you need to go to the webhook site, copy your unique URL, and paste it in the channel settings. Well, let's test how it works. We will send the message in the previously studied way. Now let's see what information was received. For example, we can see that our message has been delivered and read. We can also see information about the message sent to us.